sa revelations kahapon ng mga diskaya sa umano'y korupsyon sa flood control project. Tingin niyo po ba may bigat yung statement nila? And si Curly Diskaya po nanghihingi po sa inyo ng proteksyon para daw po sa seguridad niya after niyang pangalanan yung mga kongresistang sabi nila sangkot daw sa korupsyon.
Yeah. Can I correct that? These are not revelations, they are allegations. That's a very different. Allegations and revelations are extremely different. So we will examine all the allegations that have been made. Ang lumalabas talaga dito, mula nung nasimulaan itong investigasyon at lahat niyan, ay matagal na talaga. Kaya ang lalim na ang lalim na nung kumbaga sa amag at napakalalim na sa sistema. It's the system of this kind of corruption has been institutionalized. And if you look at the allegations that have been made, nagsimula sa 2003 pa ito. So this has been going for 21 years. And that is why it's so deeply seated within the system. And that's why it's going to be a very, kailangan masalimuot at detalyado ang ating magiging investigasyon at para matignan. And yan ang magiging trabaho ngayon ng ating independent commission.